morning, lovelies. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm heading over to the market now and I'll carry you guys along. I need to cook stew, soup, tiaras, ogbono, everything basically, and it's my first time going to the market in a very long time. Like I told you guys, my mother-in-law always helped me out with market runs. Well, now I have to go myself, and I'm dressed wearing just a simple top, joggers, slippers, and my scarf as usual. And yeah, I'll carry you guys along. So let's go to the market. I already have my list. I made my list last night on my phone, so I have my list. I think I have my bag. I have everything literally that I'll be using, and I'll carry you guys along. So let's go. It's my first market vlog. I hope I end up doing this. If you guys see this video, then it means that I ended up vlogging this market waka. And if not, I'll just show you guys BTS of what I got and stuff like that. So let's go.
Everything she get now, she tell you. So that you say bring money.
Customer, I see now 1,000 I dey buy. Why are you laughing? Guys, I've suffered in this market. I want to buy cabbage. Yeah. I've suffered in this market. There's no name they've not called me today, and this diary is annoying, making matter worse. I've suffered in this market. Let's buy cabbage. No. 400. See now, you know big. Now give me 400. You know big. It's too small. Waiting they do.
Baby, how many are we buying?
I'll buy 3.
Come on.
I don't know what to tell.
Oga, check here. Oga, check here now. Look at this for me. That one know anything. Don't be your own. That will not help you.
You guys, hey, I suffered in this market today. There is no name. There's no name. They have not called me. These people have hyped price for me. They've cheated. See, I know they've cheated me, but I should not cheated some people, but they cheated me. They've called me names. They even sang for me. And this Dio has been annoyed. Dio never followed me to the market ever. This is the first and the last time you ever follow me to the market. Even when they were singing the Igbo song, I feel like I did not know what they were saying. The one I said, this one you want to buy Shoko, are you Yoruba? I say yes, I'm Yoruba. Then I said, no, me I'm Yoruba, she's Igbo. Then I started singing again, something. I'm like, God. Anyway, I go to Oyibo, yellow, Oyibo, buy from me, do this, do that. You guys, I've suffered. I'm heading over to buy turkey, buy fruit and pepper, and yeah, see you guys when we get home. Hey lovelies, I just got back from the market. We just got back from the market, and I want to show you guys a few things that we bought. Not few, we bought a lot of things. This is not few, but I'll show you guys. And I was cheated. I cannot explain this. I was cheated. I bought pepper and they cheated me. I went somewhere else. I bought pepper worth of 5,500 naira in the place, and it was so small. I had to buy another pepper, so I went to another place to buy pepper, and I bought that pepper for 3,100 naira. Pepper, tatache, tomatoes, everything. I feel pained, so we had to buy. Yeah, when you shopping. So we had to buy a new blender because we have a blender in the house, but that's for Tiara's food. So we bought a new blender, so we'll be blending the pepper that we bought now. Okay. See, baby. So this is the chicken I bought. I think I bought 3. What do they call this chicken again? Old layer, old something. Yeah. So I bought 3 of these. We bought this fish. This fish was 5,000 naira. It was so big. We bought turkey because Mr. A is in love with turkey. We bought prawns. We bought shrimps. I got things for salad because I've been making salad. Then I bought egusi ogbono. I blended it. I bought my stockfish. I bought beef because how much was this beef? This beef was 4,000 naira, and it's actually a lot. As in, I'm proud of myself. 4,000 naira. This ugu, I think this ugu is 200. No, 250. Then I bought green. Green was 100 naira. I bought okra because I've been making seafood okra for Mr. A. We have pear over there. So I bought fish and this fish. These are the fish that will go into my egusi soup and my efo. I bought pomo, so I'm going to dice this pomo bit by bit in my efo. And this pomo was, I think, to 200 naira. Yeah. And I bought goat meat. You guys, we have a lot of meat here.
It wasn't 200, it was 250.
Baby, I bought this to 200. Babe, I bought pomo to 200.
You bought it to 250. Same price that woman called, and the local version was bigger.
I will show your mouth now. So I bought goat meat. This goat meat was 4,000 naira. It was a good buy. I bought onion. So you guys, this is the blender we used to use before, but we started using this one for Tiara. So we had to buy a new blender so that we don't mix up pepper and the rest in her food. You guys, come and hold this. Come and hold this light for me, please. Come and hold this light. You guys, so this is the pepper I bought for 5,500 naira with that small one over there. Okay, this is the pepper I bought. Now, after I bought this one, I obviously knew that it wasn't going to be enough. I went ahead to buy this one in another place. You guys, I bought this pepper for 1,000, this tatache for 1,000 naira, and all of this is tomatoes, and I bought these tomatoes for 1,500 naira, and I bought this pepper for 100 naira. So everything I bought here was about 3,100 naira compared to this that I bought for 5,500 naira. You guys, they cheated me. I'm angry, but it's okay.
Walk by.
Say it again with your chest. Say it again with your
chest.
You guys, that is so annoying. Bring the... Okay, no, don't worry. So I bought Ola. We've been looking for this everywhere. We finally found it at Spa. We went to Spa to buy this. So we bought this from Spa. I don't know how much it was. I have to check the receipt. We bought grater. We bought 2 types because the one we used to have before, something like this, but it started rusting. So we had to buy this one again. Then we bought something else. I bought orange because Tiara loves orange. My family loves banana. So we bought banana. We have banana over here too. So we bought nyam. I think they call this nyam boko nyam. So we bought 2 of it. And yeah, so we bought eggs. Yeah, so we had this before. We just bought a crate of this. So I'm going to go ahead to start cooking. As you can see, we have lots of work to do, and I'll see you guys when I'm done. Obviously I can't vlog this, so I'll see you guys when I'm done. So see you guys later. Lovelies, I don't know if I mentioned that I'll be making 4 different soups. So I'm making egusi, I'm making eforiro, I'm making ogbono for Tiara, and I'm making seafood okra. You guys, I'm exhausted. I've not started the well. I've started boiling my meat. I thought I've showed you guys. I've started boiling my meat. I've prepped most of the things I'll be needing. My snail, prawn, fish. This is Tiara's fish for her. This Tiara's fish for her ogbono. And I bought this fish too. I'm using this fish for... I'll be using this fish for my egusi and my efo. Then my stock fish. I also bought stock fish. I love stock fish in my egusi, so I'll be using this. I might not use everything, but I'm tired. See, you guys, let me show you guys my pepper. I want to start blending my pepper now. So I want to start blending my pepper, tatache, tomato. So this is the blender we just bought. We just bought this one. So it's the same brand. It's the same brand, but this one is for Tiara and this one is for the house. We just bought this one. And I think they're even different to Precious. Yes. Oh yeah, they are different. But we have to buy a different color so that Precious will not tell me one day that I did not know the one that is for Tiara. So I'll see you guys. Let me get to work. I wanted to update you guys. I'm still cooking. It is dark already, so I have made Tiara's ogbono. I'll show you guys when I'm done with everything. I've made her ogbono and see my egusi is almost ready. I'll show you guys. My egusi is almost ready, just for me to put in my ugu and my osiza leaf. I'm about to start making my seafood here. I wanted to come and update you guys that we're making progress. My kitchen is in a mess. Let me show you. My kitchen is in a mess. Look at this madness. I still haven't blended the pepper, but we'll do that now. So we got snail. I don't know if I showed you guys earlier. We got snail, so it's been pre-cooked. And I'll just start my seafood now. The four is ready. Then I have my soup. Hey lovelies, it is currently 9 o'clock. I'm so tired. I'm not done yet. I still have my stew. My pepper is still boiling. But let me show you guys what I've been able to do. I'm done with all my soups, just the stew. I'll show you guys now. I'm so tired. Like, I'm so tired. I made Tiara's ogbono. So I made her ogbono with Titus fish. A 4 over there. We have 2 plastic over 4. We have 2 plastic of seafood okra. So we have snail, we have prawns, we have fish, croaker fish in there, and other fish in there. Then our egusi over here, and yeah, I have a bowl of pepper that I'll be keeping in the freezer. This is the chicken for the stew, which is not ready yet. See, the pepper is still boiling over there. Yeah. So I'm just going to stock up all of this in the freezer. They've been calling for a while now, and I think I'll end this video here, you guys. I have tried. I didn't know I was going to continue this vlog, but I think I have tried. Filming all of this, see, it's not even easy. Kudos to everyone that does, or kudos to all the food bloggers. You guys are amazing. You guys, there was no time to pick up this camera to show you guys any step-by-step process. And I think because I was doing a lot of things, so obviously I didn't have the luxury of time to do other things like pick up my camera and show you guys. However, whenever I'm doing like small cooking, I'll show you guys. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, comment down below. Tell me what your favorite part of this video is. And today's market runs was on another level, you guys. I'll probably talk about it in another vlog. So I'll end this vlog here. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.